What is IHD? IHD is index of hydrogen deficiency. By IHD, we can find out the molecule is either a saturated or unsaturated, right? It means that the molecule is a alkane or maybe alkene, right? Or it could be alkyne, or it can be cycloalkanes or aromatic. So how we will find out? It we can find out, or we can get an uh, getting clue from the IHD. So IHD defines that, or IHD help us to determine or identify either a molecule contains double bonds, triple bonds or not, right? So this is the formula to find out the IHD. IHD is equal to number of hydrogen of corresponding alkane minus number of hydrogen of given molecule divided by 2. Let's see first example. This is the molecular formula, C9H12, right? So firstly we have to find out its corresponding alkane hydrogen. So to find out the corresponding alkane, you can see here what I have to do. I have to multiply this 9 by 2 and I will add 2 in this. So what I will get, 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 2 is 20. So its corresponding alkane contains 20 hydrogens. So you can see here, corresponding alkane contains 20 hydrogen and in a given molecule 12 hydrogens are present. So I will minus 20 from 12, I'll minus 12 from 20 and I will divide it by 2. So what I am getting? I am getting 4. Okay. So there are some isomers. This is one of the isomers of this molecule. So you can see here there is a ring. So ring corresponds 1 IHD, right? Any type of ring. Let's suppose this is cyclohexane. So what will be IHD of this ring? It will be 1, right? Similarly, it could be cyclopentene, cyclopropene, and cyclobutene or cyclobutane or cyclopropane, whatever. But if there is a ring, so means that there is 1 IHD is necessary if there is a ring. So you can see here the 1 IHD of ring plus. So there is 1 IHD of ring and 3 IHD of double bonds which are given, right? So you can see here. So total IHD is 4. In the next structure, this is obviously one of the possible structure or isomer of the given molecular formula as well. So you can see here there is also one ring and there are 3 double bonds. So it is giving us 4 IHD. In the third example, you can see here there is cyclobutene, that is one ring and again 3 double bonds. So the total IHD is 4. In the fourth example, you can see here there is no ring in the fourth example. So you can see here there are total 4 double bonds. So IHD is 4.